Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture, and I'm here with a little quick tutorial recap. Now, this tutorial was one of my favorites that I have done recently, and of course, it would be one that's inspired by couture, but that always inspires me. So, what my jumping off point was that really inspired me for this tutorial was this Elie Saab couture look, and I just really loved these sort of gosh, what is it, like a fabric flowers with that encrusted, gorgeous kind of a white gold accents and leaves. And, you got the embroidery and this sort of metallic fabric here. And I just thought it looked so gorgeous. I had to try to replicate it or create something like it. Now, if just so you know, I'll have the full tutorial link down below and all the brushes and everything that I used. The full tutorial was over on Behance. I do the live tutorials. And I honestly just have to like pat myself on the back. I love so much how this one turned out. And I just had such a fun time and it was really simple. And I just love like the delicateness that I was able to kind of capture with this. And it's not an exact duplicate, but I just love the inspiration. So just to tell you like what different brushes and stuff that I used here. So I will just kind of go through that. But this is a scrap file that I do, and sometimes I'll make a scrap file like this where I'm kind of creating these color palettes. I'm sampling, doing things having to do with my multicolor brush technique, trying to get single colors, just kind of playing around with the idea. And to get these kind of that kind of effects, I was like, okay, how can I create that? And what I ended up doing was here I'm using my new gold play brushes, but I'm using them in like I applied like a white gold sort of effect layer style, and even I created a whole set of like different layer styles to go on top of the gold, and they're included in this tutorial. But this is the gold play, but it's like super desaturated into like a white gold. But these are all gold play brushes. This is even a gold play brush here. This one is one of my wild and free botanical ones, but I have a layer style applied. That is a Creative Couture layer style. Again, I made all these like adjustment layer styles for this project. So I had like a pale gold, a light rose gold, a white gold, and all that kind of stuff. And then I put use my 24 karat brush to put some sparkles. I've got loose watercolors behind that. I love that, like the watercolor look right back there. And then I've got some loose watercolor brush strokes for the petals. But honestly, I just think that one was a match made in heaven, and I had so much fun with that. So I mean, this one I'm just like entranced with, and I just like totally love how it turned out. So if you want to see how I did it, I've got the tutorial link down below. It's not that long, and again, using mainly my gold play brushes and my loose watercolor brushes. And I think it turned out super fun. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next tutorial or next tutorial recap.